Well, hello, 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 my peeps. It's a mail call. This was supposed to be part of the last mail call, but Steve thought that he hadn't brought it. Well, he did. It was just in the bag and he didn't look. I love that dingleberry. So anyway, this, I already know what it is. This is my Paper Wizard, my PKC for August 2022. So let's open it up. This will be just a quickie, guys, just because, I get these every month. I have quite the collection of them because I'm not doing any of them. I need to fix that. I need to stop that. I forget. Now, I forget if this is, oh, it's a beachy theme one. That's what it is. And I have pictures I can immediately do this with. So this is what it looks like. So it's beach day. And we have an upcoming trip back to Oceanside at the end of October. We're really looking forward to that because it'll be the first time we get to stay at the timeshare with an ocean-facing room. Those are hard to come by. But here we have this kit. So I think I'm going to put this together. You know what, guys? I'm kind of thinking I may do a live. I am very bad at technology. I am very bad at doing like the 2-camera thing because that requires intelligence and skill. And yeah, well. Okay, so how come I can't get this open? I want to pull out the pieces. I can see. So how do I open? Okay, really? This isn't rocket science, Mayra. There's got to be a way other than, oh, you know what it is? These are no longer fold over. This is sealed. I get it. Look. I just have to unopen. Well, I think I just have to open it up. I have no clue. Oh, look. It's this way. I'm an idiot. Gosh almighty. Okay. So let me just show you the pieces to this kit. So see, now it's a bag inside of a bag. I'm telling you, it's the Russian nesting dolls of kits. So let's just open this up real quick. I'm going to take you through just to show you all the pieces that are in here very carefully. Guys, this is, just so you know, this is supposed to be like a netting. And this isn't like, this is cut out. This is laser cut. That is the frick amazing. Here, let me grab a piece of paper so you can really get it. Look at that. This is what I love about their kits. That's attention to details on massive steroids. I don't know how I'm going to glue that down. Gee, thanks a lot there, Eric. I can't complain. I adore him. But we have sand here, as you can tell. We have all of the pieces to do the sign right here and multiple levels. Punch them all out. I'm not going to open them all up, but look at that. Everything to make it should be back here. Here it is. Let me show it to you. That is in this little, in this little bag. So my money is all of these other gumaflachis and whatnot are in this little bag right here. So, but you can see already, I mean, the laser cuts, their kits are just massive. So I am really, really, really looking forward to this. So let me see if I can figure out the better part of how to do a live. And maybe we can sit here and chat while I put at least part of it together, work on it a little bit, because it'll take longer. I mean, it's a long video when I speed it up, and warp speed, or maybe I do it as a premiere and I hang out with you guys for a while. That might be the thing, is I just do this and then hang out with you guys. That might work better. I can hang out and we can yak and chat. So let me figure it out. But I did want to share with you my new kit from Paper Wizard. So this was just a quickie, okay? This is a short one. So thanks a lot for hanging out with me. I've already got a video. You guys are going to see this after the video I'm telling you about right now because it's already in the can. I just need to edit it. So I'm back to making projects. I don't know if I'll be working on any projects today because now I'm going to leave and go back to the house and pack up stuff there. We spent all day yesterday in the garage and finishing off one room here. So we're done emptying except for the hall closet for the remodel to start. But now I've got to start packing down the other house. So it's going to be fun. So otherwise, I'm going to let you guys go. Okay, go craft and have fun for me, okay? I will talk to you in the next one. If you, please, if you're of an ocean, drop me a comment, give me a like, okay, to keep this channel going and helping me grow. And if you are an ocean to see more of my madness, then you know the drill. Just subscribe and ding the bell, and I will be back with more of my zany craziness, all right? So I'm going to let you guys go. Have a great one. I'll talk to you later. And don't forget, we're all a little mad here. So let's craft the madness together. Okay, talk to you guys later. Bye.